How to add tripmates to Wanderlog. Open the Wanderlog app on your device. Sign in to your account if not already signed in. Go to the trip you want to share. Tap the Share button at the top of the screen. Select Invite Friends or Add Tripmates. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. Choose whether they can view or edit the trip. Add a personal message if you want to include one. Tap Send Invitation to send the invites. Wait for your friends or family to receive the invitation. Ask them to check their email and accept the invite. Once accepted, they will appear as collaborators in your trip. You can also copy the share link and send it directly. Check trip settings to manage permissions and privacy. Your tripmates can now view, edit, and collaborate on the trip with you. Thank you for watching.